Now we have been over the basics how to use the rigid body component under the Unity 3D. Today we're gonna learn about the fixed joints. Sometimes you may have compound objects in your scene. A compound object is an object that is made from multiple objects. If you want to create something destructible on your scene, I think that using a fixed joint is a great solution for you. On the scene we have a wall that made it from multiple parts. If we hit the play button, the wall is going to be destroyed. Each part of the wall goes in a different direction. If we want those two parts of the wall to behave like to be one object, we can make this from the hierarchy, or we can add a fixed joint component to one of them. Now let's select the first part and let's add a fixed joint component. Then let's select the second part and let's drag it to the connected body slot. Now let's hit play and see. Now you will notice that both of the game objects are connected and behave like to be a compound object. Thanks for watching. In the next tutorial we're gonna see how to work with another kind or another type of joints.